esremu fanche na ensem no pi ye bai obi enim lizi asem ne anya hoho bi wa ha lizi nti no omonam na meko na makwa akoma wonum akwaba me pacho mi ranom e mamo ha o
yeah na
pacho na mo ti sen yo awie ya ye di edwuma ma be free he pese moma izingina stamba mon kan chen so nyina so pese mo bo amane di enti amobae na yehu di for na osesa ne ma ne gu table no so metu na be se edwuma mi raka se di enti amobae omo akranso
you better obibia say say if you Gilap microcredits
pacho mu di say
Gilap microcredits yes
okay.
Gilap GILAP na yo kaswa
enkran kaswa
mi pacho an
okay.
kaswa na afibia no as a company they see and so say
there be di for nchetsane wo di ezisa bego ensane
says afino eko area as part of our corporate social responsibility no yebeye adoye we give back to the society whatever we made within the year
semen of
me pacho there be enye
na we dey nkan ni friend is semen of the same wo wi aso be huni fie kwan so nkan ni ka sem be ye ni bibi na wo mu
spaghetti just that box in it better no mo dey
dey nkan me am ye ma chim se Elizabeth kan ni obaji ahia o yo
it in fact now the intention or the motive was not say about Kumase SOMPA has
okay
na every year no especially this particular year no, we decided to go to one orphanage somewhere around the border fine also that was our target within the course of the year but along the line say somewhere around 2 weeks ni and you paying back that is our CEO
good
or send a video at the Maya and say and then we should deliberate on the video and then see if the story is so touching to him. So sorry.
Why?
Staff no so and I so story no so we decided say okay we agree to that yebeba be yesa adoye no
ama
Lizzie
okay
say mo hu yen area we e wo ha say na che say the story that I think unfortunately me can run who said the story ran somewhere around May hobby into no Nyankopon aka yakoma
you say
afiwe no our corporate social responsibility no yenyen fama yes
Elizabeth
Antwiwaa and it's so good to know say it's so good also to know say she's in the university also idea you know I believe say as time goes on we'll be doing follow-ups and then whatever help that as an institution you know you be to me I help you know we will do that since yenama yasem ye asem ye say ye babema your sister Lizzie sa adoye we
yo no kre say adwuma ye boanipa ti ye wo hona o yes o peso oba isu ni so ti hwa ya akra na de ka akofa no o ti akiri pa krono no te no jachi be bi o mote no ke se ho akiri one ne maame ne nko a na ti fi ho ti wo mo ba story now ye ya na ye de ka akofa o akire ni so ye di na chia na we recently no ka kire me se we university me nim se no ye na dwuma na anifraye baaye opese o san ko school nti okọ school for the blind nti ade obehia pa ye laptop tinka osre me nya api ma no na msu o makwan na oba na we nipa one person meka se o favor krofo penasem hwememu enani na nya ansa me office na me kire se niam bi go krofo bi na di fra America brena oba obeba befa enti utumi se wo ye wuraba e sign na be sign no kana ni ba gia de sua no nti we ade a ebe boa no pa because obenya bi e de akoto ne laptop ne 1212 nti yankwa homa ne so na ye ni nkomo hello Lizzie Hello. Jina so connect na my na yima be de ne ma nyina beda na kwem. Ne de obade a. Hello.
Hello, mommy.
Me can say yima ba.
Hello, mommy.
Ati say.
Ya ko kwando me ho you.
School mu
Ya ko kwando mboko.
Abe na mbe makwan.
Infection next week.
Na abe makwan.
Infection.
Yo.
Thursday.
Yo. Say na nse woni mi di nkomo bi na o se den na wuhia no.
Touch your laptop.
Yo.
Now me was school for the Ghana Brand Union. Accra.
Okay.
Rehabilitation Center.
Yo. Na ye papa no bi aba. Omo ye microfinance and client ton. Na omo hu video no na aka omo akoma. So omo be ye wadoye. Ti na ese ye frɛ wo na wo ye dance ni hu se uniema ewe ha. Na emi se sika bi ka hu nti mpese ugina so na omo tudin. Mira fefe. Breki pacho sika no yese.
Pacho 10,000 Ghana cedis.
Lizi ute 10,000 chese titidi anim.
Wow.
100 million.
Yanko for Shamo, Onyamo Cassia. Baby, I'm with us, free, be a radin someone name. A radin mamma, no master for nine who are without that. A radin, you move to Monsieur same. A radin bless the mark of most mobile Cassia fan. Now for Shaman, and there you 1 city, 2 city. Though, but you'll be is kind of free, be a radin, and a Cassia, some are kind. Nanina.
Yo.
God really bless you all.
Yo. Lizina ese nkwala no ti wo monka.
If I should manage I'm a mentor, I'm a friend call on Peke.
Na no na
so headmaster no.
Aha.
Ano no so who video na na re ho na wo frame me secret mama.
Onen kwa ne kasa.
Yo,
nyame hye wo den why?
Yo.
Nti na ne ye betwen wo ba ne akoto laptop na na.
If I should be so auntie say.
And ye wa pebi. Why?
Omo this kind of transfer now matodua.
Nti wo de pebi. No wa ma ye hu. Why?
That you.
Yo, radin show so.
Amen.
Yo, ebusuafo na chese enya no nko. Eniema bebre emo ensemina ene de ayika ka hu bebre. Ena om de abeye ye bei adoye. Enu nti na chese ye nyina ye beda wo ma se fam wo. Niema ni go ho bebre o muntwa maye. Camera na te atomu ana. Muntwa maye nti mira se matilizie anu masem. Nti sese no. Masem etwa to.
Okay, yasema etwato ne se yesre nyankopon Bible say bibibia wo no ani bibia wo ye no nyankopon behwe no na ne especially nkwala no na nyankopon kasa on krakra mon kakrankra. We will also appeal say obibia when you come across any of these stories and then you think say it's in your power I'll be to me aboa. Now say we are na ye wono eye mwa and say be nya enye say ye ho atoye mebre sa but some stories are so touching.
Exactly.
And you know so also to say you can just do any little thing in your small corner to support anybody who is in need. You better you be fasa kwenya we so other your clients are no more
yeah
I see. Ebia umbekasa de na yefika so na yaba Kumasi I see they should also stay tuned and then watch out. They should stay tuned and watch out to us, our customers, our cherished customers this Christmas, you know. We are also going to your baby kakra and so at the other almost as a person who say edwuma na ye no sebe mfaso na yenya ewo omo ho no so mu ni ho a yenso ye ni ho mfaso no enye se mfaso na yenya na yenye de ye ye hu ye. It is also our responsibility to make sure say omai na ye wo mu no yenso will deliver our quota.
Exactly.
That is exactly what we are doing. Ye do bibia so I say
bra na de on carry umi ofun ko Where you approach phones where you?
Oh, I think say me manager can so.
Where JBB man? Yeah, you see you so. Nyami won shrano. Baby wo bia se onya sa eni so ade sika no aba emresim because na ye be breaki 22nd. Tina me bompa ya so obeba ansa na ya breaki. Se be ya metimi aya appeal no amano. Because at least obetina fi laptop no kra wo ha obetimi de agigi nani kakra ne se modemodie abenti na we die ayetiti akra mame na nse na ye ekunafo registration me buy Lizzie mame baby otepa no onu so betwro dem se ma wo be den oso onu so betwro ni dem se debi jiska fa car na kofi na wo de eden ya Lizzie ba wo de wasem ye special we mame we a o san betwro din so obepem ene anwa enti de maye agye busua nyina enti si o nyame hira no se hira bi wo wa de dum sika dwuma yekua ni maye won fan kai mu ni won tramashim baby ana mo nyese mu bebie bi wo kra ya gi o nyame adi se 2024 mu bebie bi ho if I be a woman of God ebebem o nyame hira mo nyame hira papa
and one thing I think say me manager jawo me ma no ne side no concerning the health ne man think to be no nti panyine kan say ya ba yimbisa say na nhihye no
etie Lizzie no
ne
ma me no
because almost ye hu say na
ono so yale o hwa wanya stroke but ade ebo ane say wan ankananto because ma me no ana ye kofi ono dwale Lizzie ono di nsuo kosi Lizzie na dwaye hwe de ono kra na Lizzie no akwa akodware nti asen kakra ya nkrofo de boa wo mu ya na ma me ne so ono so survival was adoye ya nkrofo ya ma wo mu no Lizzie to me frɛ bi wa o to me frɛ me ma ene de anya kra o bi 100 cedis bi a na me de me so me de asend no na me say o favor ehu wo wa no bi asend ni ska wo be frɛ na wo be send ska na ma wo se ma na de nkanya kra o enso na obi abeche ni ska nti wo ye nipa nyame adom ankasa wo ne so na wo hia nkwanhia nti no ano ne maame ni nyina mo de survival na maame ne yade hwa landa dan na wo musi so na say 2 rooms 4 rooms ayo mo maame na na wo masi wo maade ho wa chiri but kama o se plot no kura dan ni obi ha na se won ton ma no so won ton ma no ne bayi o mo te ho kakra na se yale ne kura ba Lizzie no o wo serious sickle cell se yale ne ba baby am amini fro kofa taxi be fa ne bandin ba konfa no chi no yara wo se me bia me no be frɛ me ne ama taxi free so ame ha akoni fi akofa no ba nyame ade obe onse na nse yade ne ma yale ne ma o chese oni video ni bia yale na board da wa bra wo be su anani ase frida na awere ho but enim se nyame beye anti yemie phone in kakra na de ma ye nso nipa mo mabaso ansa na maso 0554931931 0548931931 ye nua ba Lizzie na sem no mu nyina mu hwe bi mu hunu bi abrampa hwe ma yen hello ye masa ja ye hoko hello 0554931931 0548931931 yasemo tu nini hello one 0554931931 0548931931 na
hello
Jima Jina how
Pacho, good afternoon.
I say you afternoon Pacho din baby akasa free.
Pacho makasa free aye do ase your phone mami pokia.
Yo no pokia entie we.
Pacho ye beda ejuma phone ase say radio show munya sita no ho o pe pabe boa wo mo. Radio show mo ana mo am go to program no me za mo pa me firi na me shira mo nyina.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Udi baby how kasa fro.
E kasa fro boase. E fa me Priscilla.
Presi enti o.
Le kasa ya mi shira de maye no. Ya mi show no pa do much.
Hello. Yeah, udi baby how kasa free.
Mpaka mi dite me fati ke. Mama tinga sala.
En council.
Mpaka komo le bi.
Erade adom.
The almost the Vietnam and still the only stadium most of the moment. Not most of the Panama.
Amen. Yo. Ebusia fa ofrenisi. Em se line no krati atum. Eti papa mo fa na we na fe nja mo kwan.
Okay, you know
Ti said your kind hye wa me omo ana. Nkakra akra say ya no me survival.
The say the ever can they try to say yeah koi say I saw them and I say you free una say that soon
yetachire
for the ebeko but yeah on that's where we are doing.
Okay,
you know whatever it is no we'll still contact SOMPA.
Enti monje me number no na en communicate e wi ana me send the number no mamo na mutumi ne communicate Pacho for my family number.
Yeah, better must so for SOMPA FM. You know, I think say TV and then radio station. You know, this is the best that you can do to always give back to people. And I probably remember who say Uncle for us alive. People are writing their names and then other stuff. More ya dear party. Na kupon koso na insurance. Said ya mo pese yensu your company ni benyi sana yensu wish very soon you become a global station that people will watch from afar. And it is also so for now no we've not talked about it but you buy and run or you go through the town.
Okay.
You go through the town and then we might look at probably coming to have a small branch.
Oh, say ni amiana nkama yedume. Eh, so panko mo we dey ya adopt bank. Ya dey salary kura be fa.
Ya dey news na you know ha say any survey na.
Oh. Me say empo ya dey salary be fa. Edwomfo ma me dey o mo be ba ho. Say me yesi me hima o. E oso am dwom. Man say me twen ba ne ba. Yo, na mi ura wa wale.
Oh, I have 15 years marriages.
Oh, why are dear? Umucha. Sanka ya no so maje contract. Pe krokro we bi ma.
Andra was my anniversary.
Oh, ichi ya mesese pa. Yo, o show you. Na umucha. Ka me pe krokro we bi ma. Na me nshira why?
Okay.
Mo kwa ye hu anyankopon nim anim. Rafael wo mo ho ban fam kodura somdwem. Epia. Ebusuafo na kire se de da yekoso ya ne pitiri fo kwabra isane ma no fesi fom na ye tumi na chese enie o ma me dituro medu wo ha titidie nim Elizabeth Antwiwaa o tinkra o ti sika ne ho den ene e ma ase ne ma me nsa ne 100 million ma e de wa kire wo ba be tena TV so abedas entina de o ero no ebusuafo de se ya adwuma no se ya ne ye no mo boa yen na ya ye ne kama na hye nyame animonyam 21st clinic